In this demo, we're going to have a quick look at using Proteus and just how quickly we can recover from a full system failure. So this could be hardware failure, complete system loss, virtual machines being corrupted, or for example. So in this, we are in the back end of the Proteus system. One of the managed service engineers will start the restore process. So under the restore tab, we pick the system that we actually want to recover, which in this instance is laptop 9034. And then we pick the type of recovery. So we do need to a file system, are we doing a full bare metal restore, or actually do we need to get up and running very quickly, in which case we're going to use local virtualization. So using the local virtualization option, I can simply pick the restore point I want to use, and I'm going to use the latest, so I've got the most up-to-date data, and hit the start virtualization button. Now in this system here, we've got the ability to use different specifications with it being a VM, so we can slide the resources up and down as required. I'm going to leave it on the defaults, which is what it detected the hardware was when it was backed up, and hit the start VM button. So just a couple of clicks, the actual image is now being mounted into a full virtual machine, so we're taking all the data sets and compiling it into a complete system and then starting to boot the process. You'll see from the small progress bar here, we're only 50% along in just a matter of seconds, and then once the actual data is assembled, we start to actually boot the VM, and we should see the boot process start in a second. Okay, so we've seen the system is now completely booted, we are good to go. You'll see there's a couple of options, so we can actually connect to this via VNC with a secure password, or we can use RDP with a secure password, or actually if you've got an HTML5 compatible browser, we can actually get to the system directly within the browser itself. So if I click on the little screen here, what you'll see is it'll open a new tab in a second, and it takes me straight into my running VM. And actually in the VM now I've got all my production data, I've got the application set, so we can carry on with what we were doing previously. So I could open InTouch, or I can actually get to any of the files that are on the PC. So any critical data that would have been in there beforehand is accessible. So actually in the documents, even though the backup point we picked was incremental, we've got the complete document set. So all of my pay slips, the finance documents, meeting minutes, everything we needed previously was there, as well as the standard applications that were installed on the machine as well. So just a couple of minutes from a complete system failure to being back up and running in production with all your data, all your applications, and carrying on your processes.